Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Donna. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am doing my Jeffree Star Mystery Box unboxing. Now I know this has been pretty prevalent around the YouTubes over the last couple days. A lot of people are complaining about what they're getting in their Jeffree Star box. There were 3 of these the day after Thanksgiving in the States. So the 23rd of November, Jeffree Star had a sale on some mystery boxes. He did I think it was a premium, an ultimate, and I can't remember. Anyways, it was a small, medium, and large size box. The small was a $30 box, and came with 6 products. The medium, which is this size here, was $80 and it has 10 items in it. And the ultimate was $175 and it had 13 products in it. I can't remember the exact retail value of each box, but I have many friends that love Jeffree Star. And while I have seen all these unboxings and I pretty much know what I'm going to get at this point, because as we've all seen on the YouTubes, they're all the same. Each size box is the same. I don't really much care. I wasn't expecting an eyeshadow palette to begin with, and even though the thing said palettes, I was pretty certain Jeffree Star was not going to send an eyeshadow palette in his mystery boxes. I just know that I have never tried anything Jeffree Star up until this point. It was kind of a cosmetics purchase that I was unwilling to make. Mostly because, if I'm being honest, I have had a lot of misconceptions about Jeffree Star and really didn't want to feed into his pocket. And I learned a lot, honestly, through the Shane Dawson series with him, about him, and feel not necessarily 100% differently, but do feel differently about him. So I thought I would give it a try, and here we are. Got my trusty little knife. We're gonna open up this box. Apparently you have to know how to use a knife. I do know how to use a knife. So here's the box, and I am gonna open it to you guys first so that you guys can see everything. And look, this is not unlike anybody else's box. So it comes with tissue paper on top, and this is the box. It does have a shirt in it. I knew the middle-sized box and the larger box did come with apparel in them, and this is just a t-shirt. It is red. I don't wear a whole lot of red. It does just have the little Jeffree Star emblem on them. I might give that away as a gift or wear it as a pajama shirt. Who knows? So it looks like the first thing I got is this Skin Frost in Regina George. It is Barbie pink. We all know this. I am just super excited to even look at this stuff. Look at the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. And you open it up and it is this crazy pink. That is intense. Swatch that. That is what the swatch looks like. Can you guys see that? There, that's a little better. That's 2. That would be a beautiful eyeshadow. It does also have a really large mirror. I like this mirror. You can see everything in this mirror. That is the first highlight I received. The second item in here is another Skin Frost. It is in Dark Horse. I am sure that we all saw this before. I am maybe not going to swatch this one because I don't know whether I will give it away or not because it is really dark. I might be able to use that as an eyeshadow though, so maybe I'll swatch it. Ooh, that's pretty. You see that? Again, giant mirror. The next item in here is the Jeffree Star Pop Socket that was in everybody's box. This does count as an item in your box. My items were, I was supposed to have 10 items. This is one of the items. The next thing in here is a a lip ammunition, and it is in the color Allegedly. Okay, so the packaging, first and foremost on this, is beautiful. I love that it kind of looks like a bullet, and that it is, of course, a bullet lipstick, and it is a sparkly pink case. And this color actually is not bad. It does look like it would be something that I would wear. So let's swatch that. That's pretty. It's a really pretty red color right there. Kind of a corally red. It's not bad. It wasn't what I was expecting for this packaging, but all of Jeffree Star's packaging is pink, so I don't know what I was expecting. The next thing I have in here is a velour liquid lipstick in Delicious. This is what the packaging looks like. Alright, this is the liquid lip. It is in an interesting, like, kind of taupey color. I don't mind it. I am really into, like, darker colors. Ooh. It does appear very strange, though. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but the top portion of this liquid lipstick is, like, I don't know. It's not even, like, drizzling down like you would think it would in a liquid lipstick. It's like it's solid in there. But it is a really pretty color. This is it right here. It is a really pretty, like, purple mauve shade. I don't mind that. It doesn't feel like it's drying down on my hand at all, so I would be willing to bet it's super comfortable. I don't know much about Jeffree Star, though, so we will see. The next one I have here is another velour liquid lipstick, and it's in an orange box. And I know that the box colors or the cap colors signify a different promotion for him. So it does say, Donna, to shake well before use. That might be why it didn't look, that might be why it looks solid. Because I don't read directions. That is my fault. Not Jeffree Star's. Alright, the next one I have here, let's shake it up, is the velour liquid lipstick in Fudge Pop. This is it. It is in an orange with an orange top, and it does have kind of like a coppery, like a copper penny color to it. We're gonna take a swatch of that and look at that real quick. That's beautiful. I love that color. I will get some use out of that. It's this one right here. It's a beautiful, like, just copper penny color. The light reflects off of it really well. I like that a lot. I also really dig this packaging. I love the orange color of it. It's kind of, like, very tactile. It's got, like, bumps all over it. I think this was part of a summer collection, maybe. This one doesn't have the tactile bumps on it, but the next one I have is another velour liquid lipstick. Boy, I got a lot of lip. We all got a lot of lip. We all got a lot of lip products. This one is in Baby Daddy, which came from, what, the family collection, right? Which is why the light pink packaging. Are these two pinks different? They're not. I don't know what I'm talking about. So this is in Baby Daddy, and this one is like a tan color. I don't know that I'll get much use out of this, but we're gonna swatch it. I might not wear this one. This one really probably isn't a good color for me. I'm sure I can find somebody that is willing to take it off my hands though. This is the color of that one right here, this light brown. That might actually look okay, like mixed. I don't know. From what I've understood too, from everybody's talking all over Facebook, or not Facebook, YouTube, is that all of his products are products that can be used anywhere. So like your lipsticks can be used on your eyes and whatnot. So, or well, your liquid lipsticks can be used on your eyes. The next product I got was a lip ammunition, another lip ammunition in the color Jeffree's Girl. And I've seen this color, and it is a super hot pink color. This is the packaging of it. It is really pretty. I kind of dig the bullet aesthetic of it, even though I'm not a huge gun person, but this is the color of that lipstick. It is very bright pink. I don't know that I'll get much use out of that, but they're super creamy. Not much I can say. That is it right there, that very top color. That is a crazy, crazy pink color. I do know that I have tried pink on my lips before, and I actually really enjoy it. What it makes my face look like. So, I'm trying to find the last one. The last one is another velour liquid lipstick, and it is in the color Watermelon Sour. This is the packaging. This is the packaging, like I said, the color Watermelon Sour, and it appears to be another pink. This one might be a little bit more wearable, for me anyways. Might be a nice summer color. I don't really like to separate my... Wow. Maybe an eyeshadow. Maybe I'll wear this as an eyeshadow. Okay, so I just put that on the most horrible place for a swatch. Let's put it somewhere else. Smells like watermelons. Do any of the other ones smell? I didn't even check. So this is it right here. And it is very pink and very watermelon-esque, and it's kind of got a little bit of a red tone to it, so I'm okay with that. It smells like watermelons. Do any of the other ones smell? I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna check. I think it's just that one. I think that one smells. That one smells like watermelon. This is what I received in my box. I wasn't really expecting to receive an amazing palette. Jeffree Star was not going to be that silly of a businessman when he's been a super smart businessman since he started this whole adventure. So we all should have known better than to receive a palette in a mystery box. Again, my mystery box was $80. And you could get a mystery box from $30 clear up to $175, and in each one you received a different amount of items. I am really happy with my purchase, to be honest. I've seen a lot of people just kind of complaining about it, and some other people really excited. This is my first Jeffree Star purchase, so it is items that I definitely don't have in my collection because I wasn't purchasing from him before, and it might be something that I absolutely love, and it might be something that somebody else in my life might absolutely love. If I don't love these things, I can always pass them on. I know that Jeffree Star is getting a lot of flack on the YouTubes because it is a mystery box, and those of us who are used to purchasing mystery boxes are also used to companies throwing in different items for mystery boxes. All of the mystery boxes within a certain size were the exact same. So all the $30 mystery boxes had the same set of products in them. All the $80 boxes had the same set of products. All the $175 boxes had the same set of products. What I can say is that even if you purchased 2 because you thought you were going to get, you know, a bunch of different Jeffree Star items, you probably are still making out like a bandit, because you could give that stuff as gifts, and this box was worth well over the $80 that it cost to get it. I am actually pretty stoked about the items that I got. I am really super excited to try the lipsticks, and I just tried to wipe everything off, and this is what my hand looks like. So I know that the staying power of these products is pretty phenomenal. I can even still see a little, I don't know if you guys can, but I can even still see the line where that Regina George highlighter was. So if nothing else, I got a giant couple pans of eyeshadow. Let me just put this into perspective for you. These pan sizes are enormous. These pan sizes, this is the Jeffree Star highlighter, and this one happens to be Regina George. It is hot pink, right? It is a huge pan of highlighter. This is a normal size highlighter. That is huge, and I think that he charges less for this than you get for this. I think I will put that in the screen somewhere when I edit, but I think this one here is more expensive than this one here, and it's huge. So if nothing else, I got 2 giant pans of eyeshadow if I decide not to wear them as a highlighter, because I am 42, let's be real, where am I going to wear a hot pink highlighter? But I do have all these lip products that I am really excited to try. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed it enough that you give me a big thumbs up. And it really does help my channel. If you liked it, that you hit that big thumb down there, show support for my channel. I also hope that you liked me enough, or this video enough, that you choose to subscribe. I would really love to see you down in the comments section. I am in a place right now where I am still involved in my comments section. I'm able to say hello, hi, how you doing to every single person that leaves a comment down in my comments box, because I'm still in a position that I'm able to respond to every single comment in my box. I don't have very many subscribers, so we're all just like a little family here, and I really would love to hear from you. What did you enjoy seeing in my Jeffree Star Mystery box? I really would love to hear if you got yourself a Jeffree Star Mystery box, and if you did, which one you purchased, which products you got, and which products you're super excited to have, and which ones you think that you're going to give up. I think I'm going to try everything in here, for sure. Even that like light brown lip color that I wasn't super fond of might look beautiful as an eyeshadow. You never know. I'm going to do a little bit more research. Let me know in the comments if you know, but I've heard that these can be used on your eyes. So thank you guys so much for joining me again, and until next time, bye guys. What if Jesus, put your phones back in, because I apparently can't speak when they're out. At least pretend to not hear me. Where did I start fucking up?